What's up, guys? Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the NR Motorsports YouTube channel. So today we're going to be working on the F350 again. We finally got the front lift shocks. So they're rated for 2.5, but I only have a 2-inch lift, so it should be okay with this. And then the back is stock height because we didn't raise the back. So these should give a better ride with the leveling kit that we have on here. And those shocks are completely blown out. They're not even doing anything anymore. So let me get the hood popped on this thing. We'll get these shocks out. Should take like 30 minutes. I'll show you everything that we need and take this out in the woods for a test drive. All right, guys, so we have everything set up to do the shock install. It's very simple. The top nut here is a 21, the bottom one's a 21, so you can hold the shock from spinning. And then right down under here, you have the bottom bolt. It's just one with a nut attached to this little lever arm here, so you can sneak it in behind here. That's an 18. I'm using an impact 18 on that. And the only difference between the OEM shocks and the new Rancheros is the top bolt being a 21 on the OEM. It's only a 19 on the Ranchero, so you got to grab a different set of wrenches for that. But let me get to it. Let me get this off, and then I'll show you them installed. All right, guys, front is all set. Now we have the rear to work on. The rears are a lot simpler. So you have a 18 and a 15 nut bolt, or 15 is on the bolt side, the nut side is 18, and then you have an 18 nut up top, and it's a stud that stays there. So this might be a little tricky to get off with the exhaust, because I did do the other side first and it was fucking frozen on there, so I might need to go get a bigger pry bar. But let's get these bolts off and that nut off up top and see if we can get this thing off and in. All right, guys, so super simple. Front are both installed, rear are both installed. I really like that they came with the dust covers, because like I said, I do off-road this, so it's going to be nice that those will keep safe. But these old ones right here definitely blown the fuck out, leaking oil. And you heard that when I was taking it off, you could hear the gas pissing out, so you could tell that the seal was bad on these. So there was definitely no shocks on these things. They were just placeholders, but brand new ones are in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go test this thing out. If you got any questions, comments, or concerns, drop in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.